Hi, we have making a video for this LS175 before sending it to our customer. It is a pre-inspection video. This is the serial number of the instrument. This instrument comes in this small corrugated box, and this is the main unit LS175 with 45 oblique O geometry. It comes with this USB cord, the manual. This is the manual. This is locating plate. Okay, you can use for the locating the area. This is lint cloth, and this is the calibration certificate. This is the calibration certificate which is supplied by the company. So we are just making a video before sending it, and it explains how to operate it with the textile. Okay, so we have one master, okay, and one reference. Okay, so we'll check with this. So before this, we'll just start it. This instrument has a button, black button, back side. You just press it, it will getting on, and it will ask you for the calibration. As it's shown in the graffiti, you have to lock the cap. So I have already locked the cap. Then you press the calibrate button. It will getting calibration succeeded. Okay. Now it will display the screen as an LAB standard, LAB sample, and delta. Okay. This instrument shows you two parameters like color comparison, where you can compare scan the standard, and then you can scan the sample, and the comparison what you made, it will show you the display over here. To setting it, you can go to setup, and you can set up the delta, where I have placed delta 2, or you can place whatever delta you want. As I placed it 1.5. okay, and then you can select the whatever parameter for delta matching, like delta EAB or delta EUV 94 or CMC delta E 2000. So in this textile industry, you must use CMC. CMC stands for Color Measuring Committee of the Society of Dyers and Colorists. Okay, and majorly in textile industry, people follows this only. Okay, where the ratio of lightness and the chroma means the saturation of the color contrast. So that is the important part in the textile. That's why textile industries mainly use this CMC. You can use any ratio like CMC 2:1, CM2 1:1, CMs to 1:4:1. It means 2:1 means 2 is double lightness against along with single chroma. It is very usual and easy to use, and easy to maintain a color. Okay, and the CMC 1:1 is very strict parameter. Okay, it is very strict tolerance called. Okay, but majorly in industry, people practice with the 2:1, and another is like 1:4:1, where lightness is strict 1 and chroma is allowed 4 tolerance. So as we are showing you with CMC 2:1. Okay, always in textile industry, people follows CMC because it is excellent correlation with visual inspection actually. Okay, and this LS to C means lightness is to chroma ratio allows you to tune pass or fail logic for your specific product or fabric whatever you are maintaining or applicating on. Okay, so unlike this, delta E 2000 also very good delta parameter, but it is very complex to adjust when in our application. Okay, so very specific industry use this. And about this delta E AB, what it showed first, it is outdated actually. So I advise you to use in textile delta E CMC 2:1 or 1:1, whatever according to your scope, or you can use delta E 00 also. So now in this video I'm showing you with CMC 2:1. Okay. Regarding this, you can ask me to more understand. So now I have set this. So what we can do when we make on, we had to make a calibration also. We just turned it off, remove the cap. It has this white tile. Okay. So you have to take care for this white tile. This is ceramic tile. Okay, used for calibration. And as you can see, this is the 20 mm aperture. Right. So now we just place on the standard. Okay, and just scan the standard. Okay, so it will scan the standard and show you the results. Now just pick it up and set here other sample and scan sample. So now it is showing me CMC delta E is 1.14, which is showing pass because I have put in tolerance of 1. Okay, but still it is differ like 1.14, that so it is showing you that the difference between standard and sample, your sample is more white, right? Then A is slight, your sample is go towards little green and slight yellow, that it shows. This is how you can make measurements of the your standards and compare with the samples. Then you can save the standard, whatever name you want to put, like I put just one standard 11 and then save. Okay, you can manually input the standard LAB values also, then also you can save and use as a standard. Okay, after that I'll show you the parameters. These are the parameters. See, multiple parameters are there: LAB, LCH, ITA, spectra. If you click on spectra, it will show you the spectral graph. Okay, I scan on it. See, the spectral graph is here. Then I scan on sample. See, the spectral graph is here. So according to this, it shows you the difference of 0.49. Okay, if we see the parameters in terms of LAB values, again we can scan. Then we can scan sample. It will show me 1.14, right? So these are the methods you can use. Okay, then after that I'll just show you the color scan module. The color scan module, you can press here. Then you have to select whatever chart you want to select. It has included with this Pantone, uncoated, coated, NCS, RAL shade cards, everything. So I select this my paint chart. Okay, then I scan. I use this black button now. I press scan. Then it will identify the color chart, whatever you selected. I have selected color chart which is blank because I have never saved in my color chart. So what I do, I'll just go and select Pantone, and now you can see it is showing me the Pantone shade, right? If you want to select other color chart, you can select this. Now it will show you the RAL shade card and the delta for the respective standard. Now if you want to go change any parameter, you can directly change. Then you have to measure again. Okay, now see, I have made it blank. Now I will call the standard what I have saved. Click add. Now I am ready to scan the sample. It is very easy. This was the same standard. That's why it is showing me the very little error. It is not error actually, it is normal. It is perfectly matched. If I scan over here, it is showing me the acceptable criteria, which is below 1.5. If I changed it to 1, it got failed. So this is how you can use this instrument. This instrument can be connected with the mobile application, and same screen will display on your mobile. That application you can download from this QR code. This application is available on Play Store, Google Play Store, and it is available also on the Apple Play Store. Okay, so I hope you will you have understand this thing, and if you want to know more about it, you just call us on a given number or email us about the inquiry. Thank you for watching this video.